Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as banks or hedge funds, will trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI technology are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way, people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. I want you guys to see how today is August the 29th, Tuesday, and Tesla pops up here, TSLA, at the top of the main dashboard at TradeAlgo.com with a near 130% increase in institutional bullish volume. If you don't know what that means, we'll get to it here in just a second. But the stock moves nearly 8% as a result, which for a near $760 billion market cap, that is a massive move, especially if you're trading options. What our machine learning technology is able to detect, as you could see the stock jump from 238 all the way up to almost 260 at one point today, is that typically only about $20 billion of Tesla stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day average. Today, it was over $26 billion. So it's getting billions and billions of extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. No wonder it's making such a large move. Now, it's important to get access to the information early, which is why we follow market makers who have the ability to do billions of dollars worth of transactions and move the market a lot more than the retail market does, as well as using machine learning algorithms and AI technology to be able to identify 10:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time that there's 1.17 times the average amount of bullish volume that's normally seen there. If you were to have done options on Tesla, let's say, for example, that you had done the $265 call option, we're going to take a look right here at the 15-minute candle, and we're just going to look at the 11 a.m. candle because we know our AI picked it up at 10:57. Options were about 60 cents at its maximum. That is an over 200% return. But it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it. In fact, we obviously don't expect people to do that. It's about getting the information early as opposed to getting it over here after all the profits already been made, which is where people usually end up without the right resources. For example, maybe you didn't even enter into the trade until 1:15 p.m. and then you still hopped out at a near triple digit return, or maybe you hopped in over here at 11:30 and still got a triple digit return out of it. It's about getting the data down here earlier, faster, and first. And it wasn't just Tesla. There were many other opportunities, but we don't have time necessarily to go through all of them. So let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. We can go back to our large cap space and we could take a look at NEO. Not only are these opportunities identified on the dashboard at tradealgo.com for members to take advantage of for their trading purposes, we also, for people who are busy with work or spending time with family and enjoying their retirement and don't have time necessarily to be in front of the computer too much, we send out alerts directly to our users as well. So you could have come to tradealgo.com and made a trade using the algorithms and the AI on NEO as it appeared towards the top of the main dashboard, or you could have gotten the alert sent directly to you. You could see this is 9:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, sent out an alert in our live trading room for the NEO $10 call option, getting in at 25 cents per contract. Let's go ahead and take a look at NEO's options chain. We're going to go to the $10 call, and we'll stick with the 15-minute chart on this one as well because we already know our entry price, 25 cents. If we go to the 25-cent mark at its maximum, that is over a 300% return. But again, it's about making great trades happen and taking profit and seeing results. So we were letting people know that it was just up to almost a 100% triple digit return. So now is probably the time where you can start to be looking to take profit. Making a double of your money in one day from an alert sent directly to you, barely had to lift a finger. That is a great way to go about trading in the stock market. However, if people had decided to hold or leave some runners, all the way up to a 300% return at its max. Last one we want to go through here is LI, and that is going to be in the large cap space as well, directly below NEO. 420% increase in institutional bullish volume, so no surprises the stock jumps 5% as a result. Again, what the AI is detecting is a massive increase in institutional bullish volume, from 60 million over a 7-day previous average to 250 million today alone. So smart money leads the way on that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the TradeAlgo alerts page, and we're going to go to LI Auto. You can see that it was identified at 9:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with 2.6 times the average amount of bullish volume that's normally seen there. So on the TradeAlgo options chain, we're going to go to LI, and you can see a nice list of triple-digit winners there as well. Let's say that you had done the $43 call option. Again, we're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up around 9:43, but we're just going to use 9:45 to keep it simple and short. 35 cents is where these contracts opened at 9:45, so at its maximum, nearly a 200% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.